Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. I am here with an early insert preview of next week's, so the 22-23 one of the Retail Me Nots. I get insert provider gets the Retail Me Nots and sometimes the smart source early, and then I have to order my PNG from another insert provider. So we're gonna go over what's gonna be in this. I do not know, guys. I do not know what regions, but when she hit me up and said they had Dove in it, I was like, I have to get them. Okay, so we're gonna go over what's in this insert. It is the Retail Me Not for $223 only. And I'll be doing, at the end of this video, I'll be doing an insert giveaway. So for once this video gets to 50 likes, I will pick a winner, and you will get 10, guys. You will get 10 of these Retail Me Not inserts with the Dove, Tresemme, and Suave products, okay? So let's take a look, guys. And I'm super excited about this first part of the deal because I had questions. Because I don't know how long you guys have been couponing, but I had questions earlier, and I was like, last year, and this is, I specifically remember when Short Mama was putting scenarios together for these deals at Family Dollar. So they're gonna be giving, I don't know if it's gonna start. I don't know if they got the memo that people's taxes was gonna be hitting end of the month come early March, but they are on it. So the ad says it's $5 off for $25. You'll get a $10 off for $50 and a $20 off for $75 a smart coupon. I remember when this came out last year, and I definitely did these deals. And I remember Short Mama putting together some amazing deals last year when these digital coupons was out. And this goes to show how long I've been watching Short Mama. Like, I remember when she would have that pad, that notepad and that paper, baby, had them breakdowns. And I remember watching this like, you can't beat this woman with a calculator. Anyway, so that was definitely a shout out to Short Mama. Some of us who've been rocking with her for a minute now know that she had some bomb deals last year when these coupons were out. So yes, this is the Family Dollar ad. So I'm assuming next week, maybe, we're gonna be getting, it doesn't really say, let's see, look at the top. Guys, if it's dark, I may need to turn the light on or bring a light in here. So I'm assuming this is going to come out next week. We didn't get a 5 off 25 this week, so I'm assuming maybe that's going to come out next week, which would be great, because I'm definitely, if my doctor lets me out the house, okay, I'm definitely gonna try to I'm talking about paper products. I mean, guys, it's just, the sky's the limit. 20 off of $75, like, that's a box of diapers. Like, the possibilities are endless. I'm super excited about that, about those digitals. And I've been wondering, are we gonna get those digitals like we did last year? And sure enough, they are. So, you know, the Scott paper towels are gonna be on sale. The Charmin, it doesn't say any digitals, $2 off. $2 off smart coupon. Your purchase of 1 Charmin bath tissue and 1 Charmin paper towels and the Febreze. And see, now y'all just running out. All right. But the Tide is going to be, of course, $4.95. The Gain is going to be $3.95. Pine Sol, 50 cents. I'm assuming that's a 50-cent digital. So, guys, Family Dollar is going to be popping. This is more of the ad here. Homeline, a lot of the Homeline products. All is going to be on sale $3.95. The Arm & Hammer is going to be on sale $3.95. So, baby, it's going to be, all will have digital coupons. Scott is going to be $5. I'm excited. I'm super excited about these deals gonna at Family Dollar next week, if they do give us those digitals next week. I guess we getting another 3 off of 9? It's a great digital coupon to add into those scenarios. Stock up on Dove. All right. Diapers, Pampers are gonna be $9. They're usually $10. There's a $2 that says it's a $2 manufacturer digital coupon, I'm sorry. So that is the Family Dollar ad. All right. This is I do not know where region this is, guys. This is a very, very small retail me not. But if you are, brand loyal to Vaseline, Dove, Tresemme, Suave, you might want to get in on this giveaway. All right, that's $2 off Vaseline. That is the save 4 on Purina. All right. And that is the Suave, $1 off of 2. Dove Men, $2. Those are pretty high value because sometimes they're usually like $1. So that's pretty good. Okay, so let's look at these Dove coupons, guys. 75 cents off the bar, $1 off of the body wash. Buy 1 Dove Beauty Bar, 4 count or larger, or Dove Body Wash, 22 ounce. Get 1 free liquid hand soap. I remember when these came out, there were a lot of deals that you could do at Walgreens the last time this specific coupon came out. So there's a deal going on right now at Walgreens on the Dove. So this could be pretty good if you buy 1 get 1 free. So today's Tuesday. You could possibly get these and rack up on some body wash at Walgreens, guys. So it's a Tresemme. There's a 4 off of 2 Tresemme, $5 off of 2 Tresemme Pure products, $2 off of any. If y'all hear any buzzing, my husband is cutting his hair in the back. 2 on any 1 Tresemme compressed micro mist spray products. And guys, that donuts. And lastly, on the last page, again, this is a very small insert. 2 on any 2 Dove hair care products for men and the women's and the men's. All right, guys, that is all. So if you want to get in on this giveaway, I'm giving away 10 of these inserts, okay? So once this video gets to 50 likes, I will pick a winner and you will be getting 10 of these inserts, okay? So in order to get, I'm sorry, y'all. In order to win these inserts, you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to like this video and you have to comment in the comment section, enter me in the giveaway, and I'll be doing a random picker. So hopefully this video hurry up and get to 50 likes, because I want to make sure I can get these out in the mail in case you want to use them this week, and then you'll have them for next week. I'm giving away 10 of these inserts, guys. So if you're brand loyal to Dove, if you're brand loyal to Vaseline, and what else is in here? Tresemme. You want to get a head start on some deals? I do not have the PG. I'm not going to order those until tomorrow. So I won't have the P&G until probably Monday. It'll probably be Monday before I have the P&G. So I may do another giveaway. All right, guys. So again, the rules are: you must be subscribed to this channel. 2, you must like this video. 3, you must comment down below. Enter me in the giveaway if you want to get 10 of these inserts early. 223 retail me not with the Dove. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a great Tuesday. Bye.